shit. Ain't nothing to see a light through my bedroom window, but I ain't got shit but the plan and pencil. I can't wait till I hear you say I'm going down, Mayday, Mayday, I'm gonna fly. Every time there's a piece hit my feet, you're over here with the flying Nazi. Military force, but we don't punch up. Stand on my roof with a rocket launcher. So fly like an ego, but don't follow us wherever we go. You shit that I'm saying, make shoes hurt. Motherfuck you when you punk ass ghetto bird. Run from the ghetto bird. Get down and you don't stop. I said run from the ghetto bird. Get down and you don't quit. Yeah, my homies hit a lick for a trick and it's Rolex. And then they try to fall next. Matter of fact, I was driving, it's hotter than July. Looked up and didn't see a ribbon in the sky. Saw a trapper with numbers on the bottom. Calling on cars, I think we got him. Come on, I hit the gas and I mashed past Inglewood. I think I drove through every single hood. South Central, Compton and West. Long Beach, West, they get it on the top. Wish I had a genie with about 3 pushes. Had a flake green on teeth, I look suspicious. You know that I'm running, shit, I hear it humming. Look, I see it coming. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No. I hooked me a battle in Chicago. Come on, I wanted to holler. I could reach the Apollo. Let's see if they will follow. We hit a fence, and another. Met me a belly pet ball little brother. Ran up in some people's house and looked out the window. I wish it was my tempo. Had to pull a strap on a fool named Louis the Bird. Cause I'm getting chased by the ghetto bird. Fuck the ghetto bird.